Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can change Apple ID two-factor number after updating your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 26. So if you have updated your iPhone device to the latest version iOS 26 and now you want to change the Apple ID two-factor number, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can change Apple ID two-factor number after updating it to the latest version iOS 26. So now let's get started how you can do that. So first of all, here you will need to tap on settings in your iPhone or iPad device. Then after that, here you'll need to scroll down and tap on general. Then after that, here you need to tap on software update, and here make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you're not using an updated version of iOS, then here you'll have to update your iPhone device to the latest available version. So after that, here you need to again open settings, then tap on your Apple ID profile. So after that, here you need to tap on sign in and security. Then after that, you will see this tab interface. Here you need to scroll down, and here you need to tap on two-factor authentication. So after that, here you will see this tab interface. Here you can see that here is my two-factor number on my iPhone or iPad device that attached with Apple ID. So here, if you want to remove this, then here you need to tap on this. Then here's the option of remove from account. Here you need to tap on this. Then here you'll have tap on continue. Then here after that, it will ask you your iPhone passcode. Then here you need to enter your iPhone passcode. So after that, here you need to enter your new mobile phone number which you want to add as a two-factor number for your Apple ID. Then after that, here you will need to enter that number. Then after that, tap on continue. Then after that, two-factor number will be changed to your Apple ID. So that's it from this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.